everybody, just wanted to touch base with you and let you know that I know it'll break all of your hearts, but Pickle the Bus will be resuming his normal slot on Thursday, August the 6th. I had every intention of having a video up a couple of weeks ago with this project, and we decided to take a spontaneous vacation to the Smokies, completely unplanned. I took my computer and everything with me there. Of course, I didn't take the time to edit and upload. We couldn't have uploaded if we wanted to anyway. We have no internet where we were. For those of you who are not familiar with this project, this is Pickle the Bus, my 1958 press bumper panel bus. There's a whole playlist on the channel. Go check it out if you're new to the channel and get yourself kind of caught up. If you are here because of Pickle the Bus, I truly appreciate you being here and sticking with the channel all of this time, given that this content hasn't been a steady stream for a long time. So I'm excited to get back into it. It's probably going to be the rest of our year and then some, the bulk of our content. Yes, there's going to be other things sprinkled in. I've got a few surprises sprinkled in for you, so I'm looking forward to that. Vintage Camper Rally's coming up, as you all know. We'll be doing some video on that. We have a new camper that we've never introduced to you, so we'll be doing that in the next couple of weeks. Tomorrow is Maker Monday. That video is already scheduled and ready to go. If you are not into the art thing, that's okay. It's okay, but if you're into the welding, the plasma cutting, and all the stuff we do with the Volkswagens and engines, you might like that stuff too. I'm just saying, I kind of call it car part art because I use a lot of car parts to weld into projects. I'm a steampunk junk artist. So if you find this kind of content interesting, you might like that as well. So I'll see those of you who wish to join me tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow for Maker Monday. Rest of y'all, I'll see you on Thursday.